Hello students, I am Tasmeet, your art and craft teacher from DP Shahid Path. Today we are going to make some decorative hangings which you can use in the coming festival, which is Christmas. So let's start doing. For that we need one pair of scissors, Fevicol, and I have cut out many circles out of it, or out of green paper actually. So what we have to do is we have to fold each and every circle into half and crease it with a tight hand like this. Like this. So we'll do this to all the circles. Children, I folded all the circles now. What we have to do is we have to stick these circles, semicircles actually, into like this. Like this. Only two sides will be sticked and we'll keep on sticking like this. So let's stick. Now we will stick this over here. And hold it like this only. Children, now I'll stick all the semicircles and show you how it looks. So students, here I have sticked all the circles. There are many circles in it. I have used one whole of the chart paper pastel sheet, full size. So I will stick it hard like this so it doesn't comes out. Now I will hold one end from here, another end from here, and I will paste these both and see how it looks. Let me stick these two ends first. When it becomes a ball like structure, then we will attach some string for hanging, okay, and some glue over here. I'm using a big box Fevicol, that's why I'm using this stick. You can use your regular Fevicol. Don't use Fevistick in it, it won't work. And now these two ends are of Fevicol. So now it looks like this, a ball shaped structure like this, see? See how it looks, so nice. Now I will hang some string in it. How beautiful it looks, see? The children, here I have sticked one ball, Christmas ball, and one bell, and our decorative piece is ready like this. It's round. Children, please do make this. It is a circle, a bell, and please do make this. Thank you.